Just made it back to the pool. These guys like swimming. Okay, we got someone watching, got Zara watching the kids at the swimming pool, so I'm available to slap on this alternator. One of the b-ball homies' alternator went out on his Honda Pilot. We're gonna need tools too, right? All right. Just in case, serpentine belt tool. I don't think I'll need this, but you never know. Let's go.
Good morning, San Diego. Good morning, SD. What's happening, West Coast? I love Cali. Good morning, San Diego. Good morning, SD.
It's gonna be quite a drive. Got to Eric, so we gotta replace his alternator. It's down there. You can see it, kind of, right? All right, we got this. 5 minutes. Wait until I get my race car. I'll go right in front of his house.
I know.
You ready, Eric? You ready to see the infamous glove removal?
Here we go. Oh, damn.
That's it. Pretty gross, huh? It took 7 minutes, not 5. So we finally got that bitch out. Get it. Fuck, man. Making us work on this humid day. Looks similar to you, Eric? Connector. Charge wire. Post there. Computer signal thingamabopper there. So we're slapping it on. Let's do this. Another 5 minutes. Gonna start the car. Put the alternator on. Battery light is off. Good to go. Easy. Easy 25 minutes. All right, Eric is good to go on his 2009 Pilot. Takes your garage in on a Saturday. Time to play ball, I guess. But first, yeah, boy. Stop by the pad real quick, pick up an extra t-shirt for changing after some b-ball. Hopefully there'll still be at least one game left, but I really shouldn't be playing anyway. I think I have a strained muscle. All right, with that said, ball is life. Made it to the park. Looks like they might be done, but they got more games in them. They got it. There you go. That's what's up.
Yeah, I can see the part. Right, so that you know.
Oh, you want me to drive
Yeah,
it? All
sure,
right.
man.
Yeah, we just got done playing ball, but we're gonna diagnose this BMW real quick. Brakes are sticking. Let's do it. All right, I'm out, guys. Came up with a BMW. Just got done trying to look at one of the Ballers X5, but couldn't duplicate the problem. My homie Josh and his Tesla. That was Saturday. I'm gonna finish it off with a nice cold beer of Red Horse. Laurel Street, the infamous Top Gun scene. All right, I'll be here by the airport, heading to Tom Ham's, meeting up with the fam. As you can see, the airport's getting demolished. They're making a new terminal. Terminal 1's been here for a long time, and time to get rid of that mug. Put a new one, make San Diego proud. Yay, yay! North Island. Where's Maverick? Maverick! Where's Phoenix at? Phoenix! All right, welcome back to the channel. Meeting up with the fam, like I said, for brunch. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Father's Day brunch. Happy Father's Day to all the daddies out there. Yay, yay. What's up, guys? Y'all ready to eat?
No, I'm
Ready
not.
to do this?
There's nothing I want to eat in here.
It's my goddaughter. She always got something to say. Go ahead.
No.
Hey, happy Father's Day, bro. Happy Daddy's Day.
birthday, bro. Our birthday, bro.
Oh, the California room. California. Damn, we got the whole room to ourselves. Damn. Look at this view. Ooh. Oh, shoot. Look at this view, man. Ah. Na 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 na. And it's like we're having a wedding reception. Appetizer. All right, I'm gonna go grab mine. All right, we're at the infamous Tom Ham's Lighthouse, and I don't have my light, so I apologize for the lighting.
Ernie,
Hey,
if
Mom.
you're gonna get some omelette, get
Omelette. Hello. Just vlogging this beautiful rib roast.
prime rib.
Prime rib, excuse me. Thanks for the correction. You know somebody will correct me. Hi, good morning. I'll get one veggie omelet with cheese, with everything, yes.
No jalapenos or jalapenos?
Yeah, no jalapenos.
No jalapeno.
Everything but that. What kind of champagne is this? Champagne.
Oh my god. So what do you mean?
Oh man, this chicken's pretty good. I'm glad I tried it. Is there orange juice?
Yeah.
Just a little
Should I
bit.
cut it in half?
Thank you.
Thank you. Best server ever.
Yeah, I'm
It's
just
the
gonna cut
homie.
this.
Homie Ricardo. Shout out to Ricardo. Yeah, you're on the vlog, bro. Oh, y'all got the oyster. So good. For that vitamin C. Uh-oh, we're out.
Oh, that's it, babe. Just one.
Oh man, we're out.
Disgusting.
Rian, get more champagne.
No.
Gotta put the limon. Put the limon. Oh man, I just dropped my napkin. Man, we're out of champagne, guys. What do we do? All right, time to work on these crab legs real quick. Damn, Rian, you ate all that?
No. You did. You're the one who ate 3 plates.
Oh, there's ice cream? All right, let's go. Woo. I don't know about you guys, but I need to find a nice bathroom. I know, I've been there already. I'm joking. All right, just got done taking some pictures after eating brunch here at Tom Ham's. All right, where we going for lunch? It's almost lunchtime. Going to a coworker's wedding, so she says we have to go shopping.
It's cute.
She says we have to go shopping. What's cute? Me? I know. Thanks. Just for fun, I'm gonna try these shoes out. Finally found something at the mall that I like. It's not my car, but close enough. It's an Integra. I don't know what that says. It's a cool t-shirt. Oh, it's not ready yet? Hey, we're home. Everybody's upstairs. Let's go. Can't carry you anymore like when you was a baby. Let's go. Rhea, we're home.
Sour?
All right, how do we eat this?
It's
Cool, looks good to me. Got tomatoes over here. Tomato. Got the tortilla. What do you call this bread? It's not tortilla, but pita bread.
Ano tawag dito?
Oh yes.
I just know this yogurt.
How do you eat this? You put it here? Mm-hmm. It's pretty good. Then you put the meat in. Cheers. All right.
How many is it? Oh my god.
Thanks for the card, girl. Awesome. She even made a hand thing. You rock it, me and Dad. Love, Raya. Cool. Anyway, hope you guys had a good one. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.